Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is going to be a quick one. Today we're going to learn how to make a tassel for our beaded bag. For this project, you need a roll of silk thread. You'd also need your cardboard for rolling the thread, and lastly your scissors. That is all you need for this. Let's go. To start, we'll take our piece of carton, then we take our thread. I didn't cut the thread, it is still attached to the roll. So we're gonna go ahead to keep rolling the thread on the carton. I'm going to do this 500 times. Yep, it's a lot of work, I know. 500 times. Let's go. I have completed that, so I'm going to cut off the thread now. Then I will double the thread to add more volume to it. I will then pass the thread beneath what we just did. Then I'm going to tie it tightly. Tie it multiple times to make sure it's very tight. Once that's done, we are going to remove the tassel from the carton. Smoothing your work. Now right there in the middle, we are going to cut that tassel in half. And this is what it looks like. Let's smoothen that thoroughly. It is now time to wrap the head of the tassel. To do that, we take our thread, then we just lay it on it like that, and we begin to roll it right there on the head. Do that multiple times until you are sure it is very tight. I'll cut off the thread, then I'll begin to create a loop to close everything in. This tightens it more. And this is what we have. It is now time to trim. Firstly, I'm going to measure the length I want my tassel to be. I'm going to choose 5 inches. Then I'll just trim it right there. And this is what I have. Trim it some more to make sure everything is even. Use a sharp scissors for this. We are finally done with our tassel. This is what my work looks like. I made 24 pieces of tassels in total for this project I am working on. Stay tuned for what I'm going to use this for, okay? Goodbye.